artist in residence. My career includes a lot of travel, so I thought it would be fun to share with you what I pack. I love a small makeup bag, and with a smart curation, I can fit a surprising amount of options. I have dry skin, so I always pack the Black Rose Eye Contour Fluid and the Nutritive Lip Balm. The Nutritive Lip Balm is the only product that I've found that keeps my lips hydrated and comfortable in the air. And the Black Rose Eye Contour Fluid hydrates and brightens my under eyes. Plus, the Always Cold ceramic tip feels amazing mid-flight. Phytocerny Claw is one of my must-haves in the air and on the ground. Its cooling tip helps depuff and calm my under eyes, while the color-correcting formula reduces the appearance of dark circles. For an instant healthy glow, I love the Phyto Blush Twist in the shades Fuchsia and Contour. Long flights and time zone changes make my skin look dull, but this warm bronze and bright pink combo immediately perk up my complexion. The creamy formula and compact tube make these ideal travel companions. Blur Expert is the real-life, skin-blurring filter that we all need after a long flight. It perfects and creates a luminous, even finish. And it's ideal paired with the Kabuki brush, which is multi-use and has a travel-friendly container. I prefer to have options, so I carry not one, not two, not three, but 4 Phyto Eye Twist colors. 2 that are softer and more daytime, then 2 that are more dramatic for evenings. This waterproof formula is easy to blend with your fingers or with a brush. I also carry 4 shades of the Phyto Kohl Star. 2 that are softer and more daytime, then 2 that are more fun and dramatic. I adore both the matte and sparkling finishes, so I usually have a few of each. No makeup bag is complete without a truly great mascara, and mine is the So Intense. I love the unique comb brush applicator, which makes coating the base of my lashes and my bottom lashes a breeze. I never travel without my favorite Phyto Lip Twists. These tinted balms feel incredible on the lips, but have intense color payoff. I always pack one tonal daytime shade, usually a warm or pinky nude. And if there was one single makeup product that is guaranteed to always be on my person, it's the Phyto Lip Twist Matte in number 18 Tango. It's my favorite red and has become a personal trademark. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the air.